What is a put options? This is Amit, who has shares of the ACC Company. The current price of these shares is rupees 1200, and it is feared that these shares will probably be reduced below 1200 rupees. There is another investor named Vinod who feels that the ACC Company's shares are very trustworthy and have good profits. At that time, Amit and Vinod put together an option of choice. According to this agreement, Amit gets the rights to sell shares of the ACC Company, and it is ready to buy shares of Vinod for a fixed price of rupees 1200 for a fixed price of the month. So whatever the price of the shares in the market can be. According to the provisions of this agreement, Amit gives 10 rupees per share premium to Vinod as a premium. If the price of ACC Company shares down at rupees 1200, then Amit, using put option, he can sell his shares to Vinod at a rate of rupees 1200 and compensate himself with the loss. On the other hand, if shares worth more than 1200 rupees increase, then Amit can buy this share and get returned their premiums. Put option is for those investors who want to risk minimization to a fluctuating market. For more information, please visit ecgtrade.com. Thank you. Click this link to see next video.